it's Muski-chan and welcome back to my channel. So before we begin with the actual video, I just wanted to tell you guys about the link in my description. So these people recently added amazing products. Use my mirror link to check these products out. I'll put up a coupon code here and you can get up to like 40% off on all purchases. Do check it out. Now coming to the actual video, one of you guys actually sent me this video and must I tell you, a bitch is flattered as fuck. I link the person's socials in my description. This video is awesome. I watched it so many times and I loved each and every time. I hope you guys too laugh. Let's go to the video. Hi guys.
Yeah, oh my god, thank you. ये सच्ची बातें कौन फैला रहे हैं यार? I'm getting exposed. Please don't expose me like that. I was trying to make a joke. I failed. I'm so sorry. What? मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. नहीं नहीं लाइव तो बिल्कुल नहीं यार. लाइव मजाक है. लाइव छोड़िए. मैं कैसे बातें कर रहा हूँ यार? लाइव लग रही हूँ क्या मैं तुम्हें? Today's live, I thought let's do a truth or truth. So you guys can ask me whatever you want if you have any questions and we'll do a truth or truth. Makeup क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे आता है और मेरे पास है. All of your compiled questions. I'll make a 10-minute video जहाँ मैं क्या क्या एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा मुझे. मैं अपना मग एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी, री एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी, विंडो, एसी और क्या एनिमे. What else do you guys ask me? सब एक वीडियो में डाल दूंगी. मुस्की चान का क्या मतलब है? सब. Because पता है, I'm very girly. Okay, I'm very girly. So it was. My throat is giving. What is happening? कप में क्या है? कॉफी, कोकेन, मेथ. कप में मेरे टाइप का नशा है, which is coffee. I don't have a favorite YouTuber other than this amazing YouTuber known as Muski Chan. She's on the rise right now. She's doing everything that she can. She's very hardworking. The other day, I posted a live that I am uploading a vlog today, and I, like normal people do, I was looking at my stories again and again. I saw my story and मैंने 15 सेकंड की स्टोरी में 3 बार fucking बोला. I was like, I'm fucking uploading a vlog. It took so much fucking मेहनत. It's so much fucking zoom. I was like, इतना तो मैंने बोला नहीं थी. मैंने fucking बोल दिया इस पूरे उसमें. But do you play games? I play games with boys is hard.
New Year resolution.
Stay away from fuck boys and fuck as many boys as possible.
ठीक है,
I play games with boys is hard. See, all the things that are not related to a boy. We don't love boys. We don't love boys. No, not here. We don't need no man. We hate boys. We hate windows. We do love our AC, but our AC doesn't love us back. It makes this annoying lawnmower voice all the time. Do you like huskies? I love huskies. I love all dogs. All dogs, no matter what dogs they are. I literally love them so much. Dogs are so cute. No, I don't like rave breed. So irritating and irresponsible, you know. Already collabed with Rio. उसके सारे vlogs में सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ. And apparently उसका channel भी मेरी वजह से चल रहा है. So that out of the way. Are you dating Rio? No, I'm not dating Rio. मतलब मम्मी की कसम. For the last fucking time, I'm not dating Rio. Please, Divyansha is also not. Nobody's dating Rio. Rio is very single. He's not my ex. He's not my present. He's not my future. He's not. Ria मेरी दोस्त नहीं है, dude. गरीब है वो, busy है.
ठीक है. Controversy is a very easy way to get views, get money, unless your channel is demonetized.
यार देखो, अब ना मैं इरिटेट हो रही हूँ. जो रिया को बोलने वाली बात है ना, जाओ उसको बोलो, उसके कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलो. मेरे को बताओ क्या बोलना है उसको. बॉयकॉट रही है. ट्रू. Racist. Black, like the color black and then the color pink. This is a K-pop girl group. Trust me, you will love them. Just search for them once. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है this is an advertisement for K-pop more than anything. I think K-pop people are not real life living people. I feel like they exist in a world far, far away. Blackpink, whoever doesn't know by now, are you not regulars or what? Is a K-pop band, and I love this mug so much because K-pop, oh my god, and all of them, by the way, very very hot, like extremely hot. Like oh my god, do they make me question my sexuality? That hot.
Away from fuck boys and fuck as many boys.
Blackpink BTS का male version है, you can say because Blackpink भी hot है, BTS भी hot है, और BTS का male version नहीं है, BTS का female version है.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
Relationship status lost in BTS? Hell yes. The day I meet BTS is the day I'll be like, I've made it in my life, I'm done. So yeah, let's manifest it here. I have a sketch of Kim Tae-young right here on my wall. I have 20 posters on that desk and उनके पूरे आसपास में से purple hearts चिपके हुए हैं. And the third time पहले मैंने roses भी रखे हुए थे. You tell me if I love BTS or not. I like that. It's my favorite song. Oh my god, we have another K-pop person here. I love how you like that. I also love Let's Kill This Love. ये जो K-pop fans are ना, I love this vibe. Also, all boys. I have never seen so many boys loving K-pop at once. I love this life. Today's life is a success. I found like 4 boys who love K-pop. Amazing. Oh my god. Akshita! I hope you will appreciate that. पढ़ने दो. भूल जाते हैं बीच बीच में टाइम लाइक. हाँ 5 बार दबाया सब्सक्राइब बटन. 5 ठीक है, 6 बार मत दबाना. पता है मैंने ये चीज बोली है, फिर मैंने मेंटल मैथ करी है कि हाँ इवन बार दबाएगा तो अनसब होगा, राइट? Mario is red, Sonic is blue. अरे जा रहे तू. Positive as fuck. I literally love being on the internet because of you guys. I'm not kidding. And today more than ever, I realize this. Thank you so much for being the way that you guys are. On this very emotional note that is making me very uncomfortable because oh my god, emotions. I am going to leave. Thank you so much for tuning into this live. Oh my god, we've been live for 2 hours. Please 1K करवा देना फिर से, please. And keep supporting. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
It's the time to disco. It's the time to disco.
हाँ रिकॉर्ड कर लो, करना हो तो सचिन लव स्नेहा.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to like, share and comment on all my videos, and please do subscribe. Once again, do check out the link in my description. Here's the coupon code. Go get your 40% off right now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.